IBM just eliminated 8,000 jobs. AI did it. We're tracking 5 tools replacing entire departments in 2026. Number 1, ChatGPT Enterprise handles 94% of customer service work. Salesforce data proves it. One AI replaces 47 customer service reps. That's happening now. Number 2, Claude 3.5 writes legal documents faster than human lawyers. $3.2 billion in legal work gets automated this year. Firms are already cutting paralegal positions by half. Number 3, Midjourney and DALL-E 3 eliminated 68,000 design jobs in 2024 alone. Creative agencies are downsizing entire departments. Your portfolio just became competition for a machine. Number 4, GitHub Copilot writes 55% of code at major tech companies. Google, Meta, Amazon, all cutting junior developer roles. Your coding job has an expiration date. Number 5, Synthesia and HeyGen replaced video editors across news networks. One person now does work that took 5. Your industry is next. Here's what matters. These tools won't stop. They'll accelerate. If you work in customer service, legal, design, coding, or media, your job is vulnerable. Not tomorrow, today. The time to adapt is now. Learn these tools, master automation, or become irrelevant. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.